In which of the following both pairs have the correct combination? In one column, we have the two type of nutrient cycle, that is a gaseous nutrient cycle, and the other is the sedimentary nutrient cycle. On the other column, we have the elements which are involved in the particular nutrient cycle, and you have to find out the correct combination from the options. Now coming to gaseous nutrient cycle are the cycles where the elements involved are primarily found in the atmosphere and are circulated through the Earth's ecosystem via the air. So the examples are carbon and nitrogen. And the cycles are carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle. The carbon is present in the form of carbon dioxide and nitrogen is present in the form of nitrogen gas. So that means the gaseous nutrient cycle consists of carbon and nitrogen cycle. So this will be correct. Now coming to sedimentary nutrient cycle, this involves the nutrients that are primarily stored in the soil or rocks and cycle through the earth via sedimentation and weathering, and this includes sulfur and phosphorus. So here these elements are involved in the sedimentary cycle because they are largely stored in the earth's crust and are released through the weathering process. So the examples of the cycles are sulfur and phosphorus cycles. So that means option B will be the correct answer. So the correct answer is option B, gaseous nutrient cycle, which consists of carbon and nitrogen cycle, sedimentary nutrient cycle, which consists of sulfur and phosphorus cycle.